Welcome back, ladies and gents, boys and girls, and everything in between. Does not matter to me. I really don't care. Today, as you can see, I have a tub, and in this tub is water, as well as half of a horsehair push broom. You can see where you normally put the pushy rod. You get what I mean. Anyhow, I cut this in half. It had been apparently setting to where all of this was setting like almost completely flat with the piece of wood. You can kind of see how it's angled now, right? So here's my theory on it. And I'm gonna stick with my theory. This is an actual horsehair push broom. And you can see how everything is forced back this way. And apparently it had set to where it had just laid that way. So hair being hair should absorb some sort of water. And we can actually retrain said hair to stand straight up simply by soaking it and working it to where it will actually stand straight up. So the more I soak it, the more that I retrain this hair to actually stand up. Again, this might be under a dad hack video. But as you can see, we're already, instead of it being laid back this way, we're actually starting to straighten it back out. There is nothing better than a true horsehair brush for cleaning or for even like polishing, that sort of thing. My main goal and my main purpose behind this is to try and get it to a point where all the hairs stand exactly the way they're supposed to stand. I've used combs before. I've used weights and all kinds of other fun stuff. But as you can see, just from me massaging it when we first started the video, it was all rounded off this way. Now we're actually starting to stand a little bit more proud and a little bit more true. So obviously not going to use my own personal hairbrush or a toothbrush, but you know, we're certainly going to try and massage all this goodness, this horsehair back into a relatively useful position. And all it does, I have done this before, and I don't know if it's going to work specifically with this brush, but it certainly appears so. Again, you can see how just by doing a little bit of massaging, I'm able to kind of correct the way that the hair was originally standing. The wood here is obviously going to float in the water, and it does float in the water. Probably add some like neat's foot oil or something like that to it, but this is I would call this a theory, and I have done it before, just not on this one specifically. So we are getting into the dad hack aspect of this video, which is, if you come across a true horsehair brush, like a true horsehair push broom or whatever else have you, soak it in water and try and correct the angles that the hair is actually set in. This one, this is the first cycle of what I'll end up doing. I'll probably do this like 3 or 4 times and really start to try and take like an old, different type of comb or whatever and try and straighten everything out. But with a horsehair brush, I am of the opinion that you can actually retrain the hair by soaking it and straightening it out. So that is Dad Hack for the day. I just wanted to let you guys know. If you like the video, like it. If you want to leave a comment, I'll respond. Other than that, this is Dad Time signing out. Appreciate you guys watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.